There we go. All right, we're rolling. That certain night, the night we met, there was magic abroad in the air. There were angels dining at the Ritz, and a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. I may be wrong, I may be right, but I'm perfectly willing to swear that when you turned and smiled at me, nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. Nothing good over London town, or puzzle moon, or such a frown. How could he know we two were so in love? The whole darn world seemed upside down. The streets of town were paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair. And when you turned and smiled at me, nightingale sang Berkeley Square. How different it was, how sweet and strange. There was never a dream to compare with that daisy phrase and night we met when a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. All this fun and fun, beat loud and fast, like a merry-go-round in a fair. And we were dancing cheek to cheek when a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. The dawn came stealing up all golden blue to interrupt our rendezvous. I still remember when you smiled and said, was that a dream or was it true? Our homeward steps were just as I danced the beat of a stair, like an echo far away, nightingale sang